Hello children. Today we will discuss about the objects in MS Word. Now working with the objects. Objects help present the text in the document is in a creative way. There are the various objects in the Word 2013 such as the pictures, word art, charts, etc. Now let us learn about the some objects. So first we will discuss about the word art. So what is the word art? Word art is a text style feature in MS Word 2013. Word art menu has the different style that can be applied to the text, and each word art style has a specific shape and the formatting characteristics. Now let's see miss how to insert the word art. So for inserting you have to place the cursor, then go to the insert. After that go to the text group and select the word art drop down. Then select the any one word art. Then type your text here and it's done. You can increase the its size by selecting it. Now how to format the word art means how to change its style and means how to change its color and other thing. So formatting the word art, first of all you have to select the word art, then you have to select the text. In this you can change its shape fill, shape outline, then text formatting also text style. So first of all you have to select, then go to the style, then change the style, select the text, go to the text fill, select the color to fill in the text, select the outline to select the outline color, then select the text style feature. Here you can give the shadow, reflection, glows, bevel, 3D. So one by one you can do it. So uh, before applying these feature, you have to select the text. Now like glow, as you are seeing bevel. Now 3D, you can give the 3D effect to your text, word or text. You can change the its align in that text box. For the filling the that your text box, you can change the text box fill option. So using these tools you can change the formatting of the MS Word art, sorry. Now in shape is also an object. You can insert a variety of the shapes such as the stars, colloids, rectangle, arrows, etc. in your document. This can be done through the steps given below. So first of all you have to click at the position where you want to insert the shape. Then on the insert tab in illustration group, click on the shapes. Select the desired shapes in the menu that appears. The cursor change to the plus symbol drag to the draw the shape. You can even give the text inside of the shape. Formatting option in the font group of the home tab or on the format tab under the drawing tool can be used to format the text. Now let's see. So first of all you have to go to the insert tab, then shape option you have to click on the drop down of the shape in the illustration group, then select any appropriate shape and click and drag on the drawing area. Now inserting the text into the shape. How to insert the text? So right click on that text, click the add text, then the cursor will appear. Now type the text. So you have to type the text there. In this way you can insert the text into the shape. Now how to insert the picture? For inserting the picture you have to go to the insert tab, then click on the picture from your PC, select the picture and click on the insert, then picture will appear. You can resize by clicking on the corner handle. Now inserting the picture from the online. So online means for that you need the internet connection. Click on the online picture, select the image, Bing search image, click and search, select the any picture which you want to insert, click insert, then selected picture will be download and it will come into your document. Now how to format the picture? For the formatting the picture you have to select the picture, then click on the format tab, go to the correction for the different contrast and brightness, select anyone. You can give the different color to your picture. Different artistic effect. We can give the picture effect. You can use the picture layout from here. Now position. So while using the text you can use the picture in these way inside the picture, inside the text. Right now wrap text, so you can use the wrap text feature to put your text, put your image in with the text. As you are seeing, text image position means forward, backward. So whatever the text you whatever the image you want, you can use that and you can put the backward or in middle with the text or images. You can crop the picture. So cropping means unwanted part, removing of the unwanted part. Select the picture and click on the crop, and with the side handle or corner handle you can crop, and then click on the crop again to crop the picture. Now to watch the continue, click on the next part. Like this video. If you like this video, if you like the more video, then subscribe it. Thank you for watching.